So as I said, this caravan's got a motor mover on it, so make sure you've wound up all your corner steady legs on all four corners of the caravan. Make sure that your handbrake's on, and then you come down to this motor mover using this tool, and all you do with this is you put it on the end of this stud, goes on the end of there like this, and you turn it 180 degrees and it pushes this motor against the tyre like this. Then you go around the other side and you do exactly the same with the other motor. Onto the end of that one, and turn this one 180 degrees, and it'll move this motor against this tyre like this, and that's your motors locked in place. And then you come behind this cupboard here, you open this door up, push them in, give it a tug, and then in here this is the isolator switch. This is the isolator switch. You push it in and turn it to the right 90 degrees, and then here we have the motor mover. And to turn this motor mover on, you press these red buttons together and the green light comes on like this. Now that means that the motor mover is turned on and the caravan is ready to move, apart from, remember to take the handbrake off like this, and then I'll come back here. So to make the caravan go forward, you press this button here, and the caravan's now moving forward. To make it move back, you press this one, this one here, and the caravan moves back. Like that. And then you can slew the caravan by using these controls here. And for example, if you held this one and this one down, you can spin the caravan a full 360 degrees. Same with these. Or if you just want to slew the back or the front end round, you can just use them independent of each other like this. So that's the motor mover. Now this will turn itself off automatically after a few seconds, so you need to disengage everything. So all you do is go back and put the handbrake on, come to the isolator switch. This will be stored in here, then you know where it is. It has a 9-volt battery in it, and you just turn the switch to the left. It is now switched off, and remember then to disengage your motors from your wheel, because if you don't, it'll shred your tyres and destroy the motors. And it's just a simple case of reversal procedure. 180 degrees that way, your motors move back, and we'll do the same around the other side. And that's your motors disengaged. You've turned your isolator switch off, everything's off the wheels, everything's good, and that is how you operate the motor mover.